2015 Chevy Colorado doing the outer window belt on the driver's side. It's this belt right here. This one has a kind of like a little tear, so they want to replace. So anyways, what you want to do is you want to come and get this little screw out. That's going to need to come out. It's a Torx, a little Torx bit. So go ahead and get this guy out right here. Save the screw or the bolt, and then next thing we're gonna do, you can have it open. We're just gonna grab this on the end and just kind of wiggle it up until it finally pops up, and then you're just gonna work your way down to the end. And when you get to the end, you want to pull it out towards you because it goes underneath the mirror, so you want to pull it out from underneath the mirror. There are these white tabs. Try to not break these, and if you break them, make sure you get them out of the window seal. Here's my one I got from the dealer. This is a GM one. Here's my part number. This is for the driver window. So, yep. Basically, I just kind of clean this up a little bit. Get all like the dirt from out of here. It's going to go underneath this mirror. So keep that in mind when you put it on. You're going to want to get it under that mirror first before you like clip it down. And we got to put the screw in. So I'm going to just kind of get it started, guide it under the mirror a little bit. Try not to clip it in while you're doing this. When I mean clip it in, I mean like just push down on it and it'll clip in place by itself. So we'll just go ahead and do this. Try to line it up to where the old one was on the edge of the door. Make sure it's not poking out, and make sure that the screw hole is going to align. Alright, so once that's all aligned, we can just go ahead and push it down. You might hear like a clicking when it clicks into place, or it's kind of quiet sometimes, but you really want to make sure that it goes down and that those two white clips grab it. If you hear it pop or clip when you're putting it in, then you're good. Let's go ahead and put the screw in. Make sure it's lined up on the edge here. We'll go ahead and put this screw in right here. Okay, just put that. That was the little Torx bolt. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.